Okay, somebody please tell me what we had discussed in our last class.
Sir, present simple.
Give a brief review of our last class, please.
Present simple
Yes.
tense, sir.
Present simple we started. We introduced the course that we are going to have together, and after that we started discussing present simple, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
what's the structure, Lakshmi Priya? Just quickly tell me the structure that we use in present simple.
Hello, sir. Good evening. So actually, this is my class.
This is your first class,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Okay. Anybody who has attended the class? Yes, Sai Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Structure.
Sir,
So this is
it's
my
subject plus for the first form
Hmm.
plus object.
Okay. Subject V1 object. That is the structure we use for present simple. And where do we use present simple frequently?
Sir,
In
in
what context?
daily habit.
When we talk about daily habit. Okay. Good.
universal truth.
Universal truth.
Universal truth also. Hmm.
Scientific fact.
So scientific.
Scientific fact. Right. So this slide was the last slide we had discussed, guys, as I remember, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This was the last one we had discussed. And while discussing this slide, I had told you that in English structure, rules and regulation, generally you find some, what is that, exception. And you really need to be really careful about those exceptions generally, because it's from the exception where almost all the questions come. सादा क्वेश्चन सादा बहुत सिंपल तो देबेनी से परीक्षा रे जेमते कि आई गो टू टेम्पल एमते भले सेंटेंस तो देबेनी जनरली से they try to confuse, they try to know whether you know the all the structures or not. So whatever rules and regulation we study, we have to focus on exception more. That is where we can expect all the questions from, most of the questions from. Okay, so let's go ahead. Here third person singular number, right? He, she, it, single name or single object. Whenever we have these things as the subject of the sentence, we need to add s or es in the sentence, right? So that is the general rule, a small rule we need to remember. Accordingly, whenever we make a negative sentence as well, we need to remember that it would not be don't, it should be doesn't. That is what we had discussed in our last class. Okay. So very quickly, give me some example of affirmative sentence using this structure that we have studied. Affirmative sentence. First person, right? First person. I, we. Quickly.
Means it's positive sense.
I go.
Affirmative means declarative, positive. Yes.
And suppose I read books daily. It's like
I read books every day. Good. Good. Nice. Then third person. Quickly.
he reads books regularly.
He reads. He reads books regularly. Good. Negative. Negative. Quickly.
He doesn't read books regularly.
He doesn't read book regularly. I don't read book regularly. He doesn't read book regularly. Interrogative.
Does
First,
he read books
okay.
regularly?
First person. Do I
Do
read,
I read books
Do
regularly?
I
do I read
do
book
I
regularly?
read book?
And third person. Then does he? Does she?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Does it cost a lot of money? Like suppose you are talking about a mobile. Does it cost a lot of money? Something like that. Example. Okay. These are the examples. Anyway, we have already discussed. Now we will come to use of present simple. माने को जगह रे present simple use हुए. Now you have already told me 2 or 3 context. Like you told me that whenever we talk about daily routine, that's true. We started the class in last discussion. We started with our daily routine, right? Timetable. Whenever we talk about daily routine, we use present simple. Whenever we talk about our habitual actions, can somebody tell me about one sentence saying habitual action?
Sir,
I go to temple.
I go to temple every day. Can that be a habitual action? Can somebody do that every day? I go to practicality ର କଥା କହୁଛି.
sir,
ମାନେ somebody can go to temple.
I brush my teeth every day.
That's a habitual action. That's a habitual action, right? So routine habits. ये जो बारंबार पिला late आसुंदी, this is अरे
Sir, namaskar.
नमस्कार. लोपा टिके टाइम रे आसुनो.
सर एक्चुअली मोर 2 डेज लानी फीवर थिला तो मु सेति पय आसी पर नथली.
Okay, time रे आसो. हाँ समझते. Not only लोपा. All of you, please come in time,
ठीक
because
अछि सर.
once I start sharing the screen, it becomes difficult for me to get back to this home screen and allow people. Okay. So, and another thing, you also miss the crux of the discussion. अच्छा तुमने गोटे कथा कहलो मते. Do you go to cinema hall to watch movie?
No.
No,
Yes
sir.
sir.
भाग्यश्री तुम केबे जाओनी?
No, sir.
नहीं कहीं?
Sir, ଯାଇନି କେବେ.
अच्छा केबे भी मूवी देखी छो? जाई न ठीक अछि. केबे भी देखी छो मूवी? कौन सी मूवी?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do we have anybody who doesn't really watch movie at all? नहीं ना समझते देखी छो, राइट? गोटे मूवी स्टार्ट हेकरी 15 मिनिट पळैथिबो तापरे देखिले सिनेमा हॉल पहुंचिबो 15 मिनिट परे. भलो लागे ना खराब लागे ना कोन किंता व्हाट फीलिंग डू यू गेट?
समथिंग मिस कला लागे सर.
मिस कला भले
एंट्री
लागे
पार्ट.
because
सर.
because generally they introduce the theme of the movie, introduce the plot of the movie, main story, beginning of the story in first 5-10 minutes. If we miss that, is there a chance for us to misunderstand the movie, or maybe can we fail? Is there a chance to fail to understand the movie?
Yes, sir.
क्लास रवि सेमतिया. हाँ आमे जदि गोटे क्लास स्टार्ट करछुंदी ताहले फर्स्ट 10 minutes रे जनरली वी इंट्रोड्यूस व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी, राइट? एंड इटा भी मूवी रो बिगिनिंग भलिया. सो इफ यू गाइस कम इन टाइम, that would be beneficial for you people and it would be comfortable for me also. हाँ okay. ଆଉ ଏଇ ଲେଟ୍ ଆସିବା ବିଷୟରେ ମୁଁ କହିବିନି. ଲେଟ୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟ दैट यू पीपल वुड बी कमिंग इन टाइम. ओके. क्लास ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେବ ସେଇ କ୍ଲାସଟା ଇୟର ମାର୍କ କରିଦେବ. କ୍ଲାସ ଟାଇମଟା ଅନ୍ୟ କିଛି କାମ ରଖିବ ନାହିଁ ହେଲା. ଲେଟ୍ସ बी सीरियस अबाउट टाइम, राइट? दैट ओके. सो routine habits, we have already given sentences on this. Let's look at the next one. Status. Eta बुझी होची कि when we talk about status we use present simple. Eta I'm talking about different use of present simple structure. माने ए structure use करे कि कौन sentence हे पारे. What all we say or express using present simple. Eta मु कहूची हला. Routine and habits, we have already discussed the example. Status देखिया status माने बुझा पड़ची.
Sir, I am hungry.
I am hungry. Okay, okay. I am hungry. Right. Then any other like status ता जिमते कि मु कोण जदि कहिया को जाउछ मु कोण माने मु गोटे स्टूडेंट मु गोटे टीचर माय फादर इज अ टीचर that person is a doctor I am hungry I am there I am I am standing on the road I am standing to have a nine माने जोठी कि auxiliary verb ही main verb हिसाब रे काम करे जेमति कि I am a student am मु कोण मु कोठी ए सब I am there I am here I am with you I am hungry right all those sentences next introducing whenever you introduce yourself give me one or two sentences that you use to introduce yourself quickly
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher okay I'm a teacher सीधा कुहो ना you start with your name
My name is
I am
Sulochana.
Lopalin Das.
I am Lopalin Das I am a teacher or I am a student I am a civil service aspirant এটা সবু present simple sentence universal fact quickly one or two sentence quickly very quick
Sun rises in the
The
morning.
sun rises in the
Morning.
East.
east আচ্ছা এটা সত্য কথা কি সেন্টেন্স ঠিক আছে যে
The sun rises in the east.
sun rises in the east এটা সত্য কথা না মিছা কথা
True, sir.
sun rises or we go round
We go around the sun.
Sun.
Earth moves around the sun.
sun is actually fixed
Constant.
sun never rises never sets huh? एमती
Sir,
कहो
the center, the
Exactly.
earth moves around the sun.
Earth moves
the earth moves around the sun देखो हमर केतेटा जिंस हमको छोट बेलु ही भूल कुहा जाय जेते माने sun rises in the east এটা সত্য কথা নো sun never rises never sets sun is fixed we go around the sun right
Sir, oil floats in water.
sorry oil floats on water okay oil floats on water sorry
Sir, 2 makes 4.
2 and 2 makes 4 2 and 2 makes 4 right okay scientific truth
Yes, sir.
Water always flows from high
Sir,
to low.
water always flows downward okay oil floats on
Yes, sir.
water.
Water turns into ice at 0 degree centigrade.
Okay, turns into ice at 0 degree centigrade. Okay. To describe emotion. Emotion mane like, love. এটা গুলা यूज करके कहला सेंटेंस गुडा बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज करत एटा
Children love sweets.
I love children I like
Children love sweets.
I love like roses okay I love chocolates हाँ ଆଉ जोटा पुओ झियो माने प्रपोज कलाले जो सेंटेंस टा कहंती सेटा भी ना नहीं to describe emotion I like you I love you all those things huh right
Yes.
इटा गुडा बहुत इजीली हमें जानी छु किंतु specifically there are 3 or 4 contexts that I am going to tell you now you pay attention ei 6 टा जिंस everybody knows. Everybody knows and everybody can supply a sentence. Now I am going to tell you about some more context, some more situation where present simple is used, and এটা ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ, ଏଟାକୁ ଟିକେ attentively ଦେଖ. To refer to future time with certainty. ଆଉ ଯଦି question ଆସିବ ଏଇ ଏରିଆ ରୁ question ଆସିପାରେ, ଏତେ easy questions ଆସିବନି ଏଇ first 6 context ରୁ. To refer to future time with certainty. Can somebody acha eta bujhi parlo ki what do you mean by this? To refer to future time with certainty.
माने सर जदि फ्यूचर रे किसी प्लान ऑलरेडी फिक्स हे कि थिबो ताल ताको हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल रे एक्सप्रेस कर परिबा.
Present simple
Fixed
हमें
time present use करे.
गोटे एग्जांपल देलो देखा.
Sir, I leave.
The prime
मु सुनी पाले नहीं ठीक से.
There is a
I
meeting
leave.
scheduled tomorrow.
Okay.
What is?
said
Sir, I leave Ghataga at 5 o'clock tomorrow.
I leave
Ghataga at
हाँ.
5 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay. I leave
We go to
Ghatagaon
the next
at
week.
5 a.m. tomorrow when things are completely fixed.
But the match
Okay.
starts at 8.
This will be more appropriate example. The match starts at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow.
So
Right.
the Prime Minister arrived.
The Prime Minister comes to Bhubaneswar tomorrow. The Prime Minister visits Bhubaneswar, visits Odisha tomorrow. Kintu
But
eighty gote jinso you need to be very careful. Almost all of you have done it rightly. You said I leave Ghatagaon at 5 a.m. tomorrow. 5 a.m. tomorrow कहलो. The match starts at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow. The
okay.
Prime Minister visits Odisha tomorrow. ये सब कौन? Tomorrow, 5 a.m. tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. tomorrow. এটা सब कौन?
सर फिक्स टाइम
Time
Future.
indicator.
Future.
Timeline.
Yes, sir.
Timeline. Okay. So एठी आमे गोटे कथा नोट करिवा. One thing we will notice here, it's necessary to mention timeline. If we don't mention timeline, this will go wrong. Just for an example, the Prime Minister visits Bhubaneswar. What do you mean by this sentence?
Means it's a regular habit. Irregular.
Regularly visits. PM ro regular habit बोली करी हमें बुझे पड़ियो. किंतु here we are trying to express future माने काली आसीबे. So you need to be very careful about supplying the timeline. Okay, unless you mention timeline, you may go wrong with your sentence. Please remember that. Next, in conditional sentence, there are different types of conditional sentence. In one of the classes, we will discuss that conditional sentence. Okay, conditional sentence परीक्षा रे आसी भी पारे आउ जरूरी भी जानिबा. Conditional sentence आम लाइफ रे बहुत यूज करूं conditional sentence. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
गोटे एग्जांपल दे परियो कोठी हम यूज करूं बहुत conditional sentence. बहुत frequently हम यूज करूं conditional sentence हम लाइफ रे डे टू डे कम्युनिकेशन रे. Any example? ओडिया रे हिंदी रे कोथरे भी कहि परियो. सबु भाषा रे अछि conditional sentence.
If it rains, I will not go to school.
If it rains, I will not go to school. एटा जो एग्जांपल देले देखो तार फर्स्ट पोर्शन रे से कंडीशनल सेंटेंस रो फर्स्ट पोर्शन रे को टेंस अछि?
present simple.
प्रेजेंट सिंपल. राइट. सेटा होची कंडीशनल. सेटा कंडीशन सेंटेंस ता प्रेजेंट सिंपल रे रहइबो. ओपन कंडीशन. There are 4 types of conditional sentences. ओपन कंडीशन हमें टाइप 0 आउ टाइप 1 रे प्रेजेंट सिंपल यूज हुए ओके जेमते कि टाइप 0 का यू रीड यू पास ओके टाइप 0 ओपन यू रीड यू पास माने हैबिचुअल थिंग माने सत कथा जोटा कुहा जाए माने एमती कले सेमती हुए यू रीड यू पास यू रीड यू क्रैक द एग्जाम माने गोटे यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ टाइप रो जनरल ट्रूथ टाइप रो हमें कहूं यू वर्क हार्ड यू पास किंतु टाइप 1 कंडीशनल जोटा वर्तमान जे एग्जांपल देले इफ इट रेन्स आई विल नॉट गो टू द मीटिंग सो कंडीशन सेंटेंस ता इफ इट रेन्स जदि वर्षा हुए आ गोटे एग्जांपल हला इफ यू वर्क हार्ड you will pass सेकंड सेंटेंस ता तार फ्यूचर सिंपल हेबो किंतु कंडीशन वाला सेंटेंस जोटा सेटा रहिबो प्रेजेंट सिंपल रे ओके दिस इज आल्सो वन यूज ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड
Yes, sir.
am I confusing you or this discussion is helping some way
No, sir, clear.
Yeah, it's good.
बुझी होउची
Yes, sir.
okay okay then next to show possession possession माने कौन
अधिकार सॉरी
अधिकार तो नुह माने मोर कौन अच्छी एटा देखिया ପାଇଁ जेमते कि एथरे किसी पिला कंफ्यूज हो जानते जेमते कि आई हैव टू पेन्स हैव टाको देखि कि पिला एटा परफेक्ट बोली करी कहंते प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट बोली किंतु आई हैव टू पेन्स टाको को टेंस रे जाउछि
सिंपल सिंपल
present simple okay I have two pens I have a cell phone I have a beautiful home I have a car okay I have 20 t-shirts ता पोजीशन देखिया पाए माने कौन कौन तुमरो अछि I have a very good relationship with my teacher possession okay I have 100 books with me ए सब कहे पई ए सब होची प्रेजेंट सिंपल सेंटेंस ए सब बुझी गेला कि
Again, sir.
Sir, this phone
This
belongs
house-
to me.
this phone belongs to me yes
This
Eta-
house is mine.
sorry
This house is mine.
this house is mine okay instead of saying I have a house you can say this house is mine okay right then so let's go ahead and look at this to refer to future time with certainty the university reopens on 1st August you know that it's going to reopen there is a certain amount of certainty and you can use this structure present simple to express something that is going to happen in future if you
Sir,
study
why not this
Sorry?
university is going to open?
there is no problem the same meaning the university is going to open on 1st August এটা তো মু কহিনি যে
Sir,
ফিউচার
it's going to means
express করা যাব বলি কহিনি there are several ways to express the same thing in English that is little funny about the language you need to take note of that okay university is going to open university will open all these things are perfectly all right there is no problem in that okay but when you are quite certain means when you are trying to show certainty निश्चितता जेतेबेले देखौछ there you can say university reopens on 1st August okay as soon as you say the university reopens it would mean that there is not going to be any kind of change whatever may be the situation. बुझिहेला कि
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right then. Possession sentence रे भी when you use a third person singular number like he, she, instead of have you have to use has. Okay, so have or has a auxiliary गुड़ा use हबो to show possession, and that would be present simple, not present perfect sentence. Okay, I have a laptop, she has 3 pens, something like that. Okay, my father has a house, my father has a lot of money, so something like that. Shall we have some practice then, guys? Some exercise kind of thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I usually dress to school every day.
Go to
Go
school.
to school every day.
Go to school. Go to sir.
Go to school every day. My father does chocolates for me every day.
Brings chocolate.
Bring
Brings.
Brings.
Yes, like you, huh? Brings chocolate for me
Brings.
every day. He does me a lot.
Loves me.
Loves me a lot.
Me.
Loves. Love nahi, huh? Loves.
Loves.
He loves me a lot. My sister does singer.
Is a singer.
My sister is
Is
a
very
singer.
well.
She
My
Is
sister
very
is a singer.
She sings very well.
Very
She
well.
sings very well, sir.
She sings very well. Ravi sir, that's wonderful
Is a-
teacher.
is
Is
a
a
wonderful
wonderful
teacher.
teacher.
A wonderful teacher.
Teaches.
Teaches
Okay.
beautifully.
He teaches.
He teaches beautifully.
Teaches beautifully.
He teaches beautifully.
Beautifully.
Okay. All my classmates does games online.
Are
Play game.
all my classmates plays.
Play game.
Play habo, huh? R for habo nahi au. All my classmates
All my classmates play
Play
games
games
online.
play games online. Okay.
Right.
One of my friends does to my home every day.
Comes
Comes.
Comes to my home every day.
comes.
Come to my home every day.
अच्छा
One of my friends
केते जण कम्स
हैं?
कहूछ हाथ रेज हैंड कम्स एस ओके लोअर डाउन केते जण कम कहूछ सी ओ एम ई रेज हैंड ओके एठी मु देखुची वी हैव अ नीड टू डिस्कस सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट.
Verb agreement.
Okay, subject verb agreement आमे जेते बेले डिस्कस करबा you will get to know you will get more clarity on this. All my classmates हां जने एक्सप्लेन करबा को चेष्टा करथिले. Please come up with your explanation. There is somebody who was trying to explain this. All my classmates, he was saying this. Okay, if not
All
that,
my all my classmates
friends.
refers to a plural form. Okay.
okay, এটা no, I'm sorry. One of my friends.
One of
So one of my
one of
friends
my friends
ବହୁତ friends ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ
ହଁ।
ଜଣେ
तो एटा फ्रेंड्स अछि लास्ट रे एटा माने नुहो जे सेटा
plural.
plural form
प्लुरल
no.
बोली
Plural.
होला. वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स आमे जेते बेले कहूछु सब्जेक्ट ता केते जण
ଜଣେ
One
सब्जेक्ट ता जणे होला. मोर बहुत सांग मानक भितरु जणे से
comes
कम्स हबो होला. कारण एटा थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर प्लुरल नुहो. One of my friends comes to my house or home every day. Remember, এই ভলিয়া ট্রিকি क्वेश्चन गुडा पडिबो जेते बेले भी जे कोनोसी जगह रु आसीबो क्वेश्चन Please don't
Again,
be. Yes. Is there a question you want to ask? Anything? Okay. Naresh and I, that's very good friends.
R.
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 Yes, and R very good
समझते
friend.
R पूछ सके?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Naresh
All
and
of you?
I are.
R.
Okay. Naresh and I, subject टाको देखो. कितेटा सेंटेंस रे सब्जेक्ट यूज न है कि सब्जेक्ट फ्रेज यूज हो. हाँ. So looking at that phrase, you need to decide whether it is plural or singular. Okay. अरे किए तू पिला खेलुंदी टिके म्यूट करो. Okay, Naresh and I are good friends. बहुत लोग they get carried away. I को देखी कि M लिखी दिया. That will be a wrong answer. Okay, Naresh and I are very good friends. The team, that's excellent always.
The team is
Performs.
Play.
Performs.
The team
Performs.
performs.
excellent.
Performs.
Team performs excellent.
S लागिवो. टीम रे बहुत प्लेयर्स थांती ठीक अछि किंतु टीम टा गुटे
Single.
कंपाउंड
Need
ना
को बुझी.
हाँ तो माने it expresses unity. Okay, unitary.
Yes, sir.
Unique बुझाए. गुटे टीम. Okay, so the team performs excellent always. They that's as a habit.
They win as a habit.
They win as a
As a habit.
Okay. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ exercise କରିବା.
Yes, sir.
एटा को टिके पढ़ी दियो just समझते. Don't start answering. Read the instruction first, then read the paragraph quickly. Then we will start the exercise. Okay, fill in the blanks using right form of the given words. Words गुड़ा दिया है इच्छे. Okay, B forms माने बुझी पहुँचा कौन B forms?
Is am are
Was वया.
Okay, is, am, are, was, were, ये सबू B forms, right? My parents, that's the best
Is the
in
best.
the world.
Is
My parents
is the best. Is the best in the
in the
world.
world.
My parents is hobo.
Is the
R. My parents are the best in the world.
My parents are the best in the
Best in
world.
the
And mom specifically
loves
is the
it.
best.
Is the best mom.
Is the best.
Best mom.
Is the best
Is.
mom. Okay.
It's the best.
She loves me.
He loves
Love
me.
me.
Loves me a lot.
And takes care of everything.
And do
He does me a lot
Everything
and
takes care.
takes care of.
takes care of everything I need.
everything I need.
Okay.
Solves my
He
Yes, my
understands my
problem.
problem.
Understand my problem
He understands my problem even before
Understand
Before I tell her.
even before
For a tell her.
tell her.
tell her. Okay. I can
I
say
can say
Is very good.
she is very good at reading.
she is
My
very good at
mind.
reading my mind. Okay.
Mine.
Even my father
Get surprised. Gets.
gets surprised
Yes,
Get surprised.
with this capacity of my mom. Okay. The other day, I got confirmed that she
She can read my mind. Can.
can read my mind.
Can read my mind.
We were out to
Watch
watch.
Watch.
a movie. Watch a movie.
was already
And it was already
uh, we were out to watch a movie, and it was already little late when we arrived. but there was an ice cream stall, and I just threw a passing glance on the stall. Within a second, she said,
Do you want an ice
Do you
cream?
want an ice cream?
"Do you want an ice cream?" How many of you have this kind of a mom?
Yes.
We
So
all
my
Uh-huh.
father.
Oh, your father is like that.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
sir.
Very good. Very good. Lucky you are. Who
Yes,
said
sir.
that?
Some,
Sai Jyoti.
me.
Ah, ah. Actually, for daughters, we have fathers like that, and for
Yes.
sons, we have mothers like that. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
सर मैरिज पर एक्चुअली बापा माँ बहुत ଟିକେ ବେଶୀ କନସର୍ନ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ଝିଅ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
Marriage ପରେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Yes, sir. Before marriage भी
ମାନେ
ଥାନ୍ତି.
ଝିଅର ମ୍ୟାରେଜ
They're
ପରେ
always.
ବାପା ମା ଟିକେ ବହୁତ କନସର୍ନ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ବାପା ତ ଆଗରୁ କନସର୍ନ ଥାନ୍ତି ତ ମା ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କନସର୍ନ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି
Lopa, are you already married?
yes sir
Oh, see, that's why you are saying that. Parents are generally really very concerned in all the time. Yes, after marriage they get more concerned because uh, their uh, the most loved one goes to some other house and starts life there, right? So sometimes they get sick, insecure, scared, and all. What is happening to my baby, kind of thing. Hmm? Yes, I have a small baby, small daughter, 4 years old. Hmm. Okay. Right then, guys. Let's have another activity very quickly. Talk about the following professions. When we talk about profession, what all they do, we in this context also we use present simple. Okay. So pharmacist. What does
Deals
a
with
pharmacist?
medicine science.
Give medicines.
A pharmacist
Deals with medicines.
medicine.
study about
deals with
medicine
medicine, suggests medicine sometimes. Okay.
Hmm.
the study about medicine
Now, दे कहीं कहल ए फार्मासिस्ट आमे कहूँ ए फार्मासिस्ट studies about medicine. Whatever
Studies
sentence you
about
make,
medicine.
as we are talking about a particular profession, we would use present simple. Okay, third person singular number. Ophthalmologist.
Related to
I,
eye
I,
specialist.
I related
Study.
What does he
related.
do or what does she do?
diagnose eye related problems.
An ophthalmologist studies eye problems or diagnoses problems related to eyes, suggests medicines, or treats our eye problems, all these things. Okay. A radiologist,
Deals with radiations like X-ray,
X-ray.
okay, deals with radiation,
scans,
like conducts,
radiotherapy.
performs X-ray inquiry and all those things, gives X-ray report. Okay, physiotherapy is different. Radiology and physiotherapy are different. Don't you think so, guys?
Yes, both
Yes,
are
sir.
different.
Both are different.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Radiology means X-ray and all those things, CT scan and all. Those people who are good at those that science. But physiotherapist is somebody who takes care of your joints, bones, all those things after the
Bones.
treatment. Suppose you have a broken leg, you would go to a doctor who would join it somehow. Huh? After that, to help it heal properly, physiotherapist perform some therapy. Seko jo diyanti, seko. That is physiotherapy, right?
Yes, sir.
Cosmologist. कौन करंती cosmologist?
Study of universe.
Astrological.
Universe.
Nah.
Astrology.
Beauty and
Cosmo-
wellness.
a
Study of
cosmologist studies the space, studies the
Universal bodies. Studies of
Study of universe. Cosmos.
studies the stars, planets, all those things.
moons,
Huh.
stars.
Right then. This is how we use present simple structure, guys. And sometimes we, okay. So far, do you have any question? We are done with present simple. So far, do you have any question? You want to ask anything?
Sir,
Sir, just give some more example
we
like
need to prepare.
two subject like Naresh and I, as you said one example. Like that, give some more example. I am confused about that.
Okay, you are a little confused. Good that you asked. My father and his friends. My father and his friend is going to have is going to temple or are going to temple.
Sir, R.
Are have. Mane, see, देखो बहुत. Let me take you to that screen and again explain it. No problem. Good that you asked. कौनसी डाउट टा एंते डाउट ही की रही जाओ ना हाँ मने you please always ask. Naresh and I, can you see the screen, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Naresh and I, that's very good friend. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ example ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲ ତ ଆମେ କହିବା ମାନେ John and James. John and James. এটা দুই লোক John and James. That's very good friends. Are okay.
Are very good.
दुईटा हेले बहुत सिंपली आर लगेलो किंतु एटी कंफ्यूजन रो कारण हैला सेकंड रे आई अछि आई को देखि कि आमे जनरली एम कर दो किंतु एटी फंडा हैला one little thing you need to understand subject phrase को देखिया को subject phrase को देखि कि डिसाइड करिवो that is plural or singular and द्वारा ऐड हेछि दुईटा सब्जेक्ट दुईटा नाउन नरेश गोटे लोक आई गोटे लोक दी जण हैला तो ए दीटा को देखि कि जेहेतु एंड द्वारा से माने जॉइंट ही जंती कंजंक्शन द्वारा वी नीड टू से नरेश एंड आई एज अ यूनिट ओके तो नरेश एंड आई केते लोक हेले जणे ना दी जण
दुई जण.
so obviously it would be are very good friends m केते बेले भी हेबो ना है okay so that is it
Sir, I पाखरे R सब गेले माने किनु बड़ा awkward feel होछि.
हां सीटा
आई
सीटा तो
जगह
माने
आम
आई जगह रे एम लगे और सीटा ही कंफ्यूज ही जानती बहुत लोग एम लिखि दियंती किंतु हियर यू हैव टू से सब्जेक्ट ता किए सब्जेक्ट अनुसार एक्सिलरी वर्ब लगे ना
Yes, sir.
सब्जेक्ट जदी माय सिस्टर अछि माय सिस्टर सिंग्स वेरी वेल हला सब्जेक्ट ता माय सिस्टर एलोन माने सिंगुलर अछि बोली करी थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर रूल अनुसार सिंग्स हला एस लागिला एटी वन ऑफ माने नरेश एंड आई तो नरेश एंड आई माने ऑब्वियसली दुई जण
ओके
दुई जण जगह रे तो से थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर एटा जानि पड़छ कि नहीं
आगे
थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर आउ एटा प्लूरल ही गला प्लूरल जदी नहीं जदी प्लूरल ही गला ताहले तो सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर ऑक्सिलरी केमते लागिवो ऑक्सिलरी को कोटा अछि is am are present पाई right present पाई को को ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब अछि is
am
am are is कहां पर यूज हुए सिंगुलर ना
Singular.
प्लूरल
Singular.
am कहां पर यूज हुए
Singular.
am singular
सिंगुलर are कहां पर यूज हुए
Plural.
plural
सिंगुलर पे भी यूज ही पारे प्लूरल पे भी यूज ही पारे you are a boy you are a good student सिंगुलर पे हला किंतु आर का प्लूरल पे भी यूज हुए तो एठी हमको देखिबार अछि नरेश एंड आई ता सिंगुलर ना प्लूरल हमें गणी दिले तो दीटा देखा जाउछी नरेश गोटे लोक हला मु गोटे दी जण दैट्स व्हाई without any kind of doubt we would be using are. Okay, just like John and James, that's very good friends.
Are very good friends.
are
Yes, sir.
जदि जॉन एंड जेम्स को आमे आर लिखि पारिले ताहले नरेश एंड आई भी विदाउट एनी डाउट हमको आर लिखिया को हबो बुझी पारिलो कि
अदर एग्जांपल रे किछ
Sir,
कन्फ्यूजन
I
है सर
got
एठी
you.
केवल आई पई कन्फ्यूजन है
हां
Sir, the vice.
आई पई कंफ्यूजन होची नै
सर आई जगह रे मी भी
आई
सही थांता ताले माने
मीटा
सेंटेंस टा भल
मी
आइछ
लिखिले भूल हबो लिखिबो नाही आ गुटे जिंस मु कहि दिए तुमको many people say I and नरेश एठी गुटे रूल अछि छोटो गुटे रूल अछि
Sir, affirmative is second person, then third person, then first person.
हां एटा हला गुड नाइस तो सेटा हला I
Negative रे आगे first, then second, then third.
when you mean when you are trying to talk about more than one person first person टा सबरु लास्ट रे आसीबो निजे लास्ट रे आसीबो एटा मन रखदा निजरो मेंशन टा लास्ट रे हबो हला नरेश एंड आई एंड नरेश भूल ही जिवो नरेश एंड मी भूल ही जिवो हला नरेश एंड आई आउ देखो एटा को बुझिया पई आउटे एग्जांपल मु देई परिबी वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स look at the earlier sentence one of my friends को देखि देखि हमें ऑक्सिलरी लगे परिबा की
No, sir.
भूल ही जिवो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट और रूल अनुसार भूल ही जिवो तो जस्ट लाइक दैट ए सेंटेंस रे हमें आई को देखि की ऑक्सिलरी लगे परिबा नहीं we have to use an auxiliary to suit the subject और एटी सब्जेक्ट है दुई जन okay
Sir, the vice president and chairman of Rajya Sabha is on R.
vice president and chairman एटा vice president and chairman
of Rajya Sabha.
एटा दुईटा पोजीशन होउछि सिना किंतु गोटे लोक को बुझौ
जय लोक
एटा जणे पोजीशन को बुझौछि जे
सर एंड पर जदी द लागि थांता ताहले आर हे थांता एठी फास्ट गोटे जगह रे ही द लागि छि दीटा नाम ना करू द लागिनी
हां राइट
सर सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट पढ़ा सरला रे सब डाउट क्लियर ही
राइट सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट पढिबा हमें टेंस पढला परे सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट पढिबा
आज्ञा सर
ओके एटा जो एग्जांपल टा देलो सेटा दुईटा अलगा अलगा ना अलगा अलगा पोजीशन किंतु से दुई जन लोक गोटाई जेमते कि कहबो द प्रेसिडेंट एंड द फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया ए दीटा तो जण को बुझौ छी ना
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question like that? Good that you are asking a lot of questions. Nice. Okay, if there is no question anymore, let me tell you one thing. Let me ask you something. Is this way of discussion fine or you want some change?
Sir, to question basic करंतु.
Question टिके बेसी करिवा नै आउ जदी प्रीवियस इयर्स क्वेश्चन रे जदी किछि थिबो सेही ग्रामर रिलेटेड सेटा भी हमें आनिबा ना
यस सर
यस सर
ओके ओके ए प्रेजेंट सिंपल रो किछि नथिला नहले आनथांती
यस सर
Sir, proverbs would have to simple sense of
proverbs are simple present. Yes, proverbs are simple present सबु like slow and steady wins the race.
Yes, sir. All that glitters not gold.
Yeah, barking dog seldom bites. All the
Sir,
proverbs. Huh.
Sir, age and experience dash make a person famous. Sir, एठी make हबो ना make हबो?
Age and
Next, next,
experience.
sir.
Make हबो कारण दुई जिनस आमे कहूछु.
Next.
दुईटा जिनस आमे कहूछु ना एज एंड एक्सपीरियंस. एटा दुईटा अलग अलग जिनस नै.
आगे आगे.
Make a person whatever. Okay. Right then. So shall we go ahead this way? Discussion of the concept. After that, some question answer. After that, previous year's question, some task,
Yes,
some
sir.
activity. Is it fine to go ahead this way, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Okay. Good ଜିନିଷ ମୁଁ କହିବି
Sir, ମୋର ଗୋଟେ
କି
doubt ଅଛି.
you make a note copy. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ note copy କରିକିରି ସେଥିରେ geography, ସେଥିରେ history, ସେଥିରେ general knowledge, ସେଥିରେ English ସେମିତି କରନି. ଗୋଟେ note copy କରିକିରି ଯଦି ଅଲଗା note copy କରିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ, at least you assign 40 to 50 pages for English. Okay? ମାନେ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା କରିକି ରଖ. ଆଉ date wise ଆଜି ଯେମିତି ଆଜି 12 ନଭେମ୍ବର ହେଲା ଉପରେ ଲେଖିଦେଲ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲ. ତାପରେ ଖାତା ଗୋଟେ ଧରିକିରି ବସ. ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଧରିକିରି ବସ ନାହିଁ. ଖାତା ଗୋଟେ ଧରିକି ବସ ସିରିୟସଲି. ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ଗୁଡା କରା ହଉଛି ଯୋଉ ରୁଲ ଗୁଡା କୁହା ହଉଛି ହଁ ରେକର୍ଡିଂ ତ ଆମକୁ ମିଳିଯିବ ଏମିତି ବୋଲିକି ଭାବିକି ବସିଦେଲେ ହେବ ନାହିଁ. ଟିକେ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କର ହେଲା.
Yes.
yes
Sir, ମୋର
ଟିକେ
doubt
systematic notes ଦେବ.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
ଯୋଉ conditional sentence ଟା ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଥରେ
ଯୋଉ conditional sentence ଆମେ ପଢିବି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ don't worry about it. ମୁଁ ଏତିକି ଖାଲି କହିଲି ଯେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଟା conditional sentence ରେ ୟୁଜ ହୁଏ. ଆଉ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇପ ର conditional sentence ର एग्जांपल ଦେଲି ଯେମିତି କି if you study hard you will pass the exam. এই condition वाला sentence जोटा if you study hard एठी यूज है प्रेजेंट सिंपल. प्लीज डोंट वरी conditional sentence हमें start भी करना हंती. There would be a special session 1 hour session on conditional sentence.
Okay, sir.
Got
Sir,
it?
more good. Sir,
हाँ हाँ
Sir, daily synonym antonyms ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ରଖିଲେ ଭଲ ହବ.
କହିଲେ proverb ଆଉ idioms ସେ ସବୁ ଯାକ simple present tense ରେ ରହିବ.
କୋଉଟା କୋଉଟା
ଯେତେ proverbs ଆଉ idioms ଅଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ କଣ simple present tense ରେ
ଟିକେ ଭଲସେ କୁହ ଏଟା ବୁଝି ପାଉନି ମୁଁ.
Sir, ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି proverb ଆଉ idioms
ଯେତିକି
ଯାକ
proverb
ସବୁ
ଆଉ
present
idiom
simple ରହିବ.
Proverbs idioms ଏଟା ସବୁ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲ ରେ ରହେ ସବୁ.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, which book will be better for preparation, for English especially?
For English specifically, you follow some simple books. I follow different like Oxford and all. I follow, but that is not required for you. Like I follow University Grammar of English, Randolph Quick. That will be too complex for you. And this one, Michael Swan, also I follow. Practical English uses Michael Swan, but this is a reference book, not a grammar book. So what you can do.
Sir, for this exam,
For this exam, you can follow Renan Martin High School Grammar of English. Very simply, they explain things, okay, and they give number of sentences, number of examples. It would be easy for you. Renan Martin High School Grammar of English. Okay. So, guys, any other doubt? Bismita, you want to try
No,
to
sir.
ask?
Sir, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଟା affirmative form ରେ ଥିବ ଆମେ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଥାର୍ଡ ପର୍ସନ କୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲେସ ଦବୁ ତାପରେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ କୁ ମାନେ ତାପରେ ପର୍ସନ କୁ ନେବୁ.
Affirmative ରେ ଥିଲେ third person କୁ
Sir, ସେ ଯୋଉ sequence pronoun ସେଇ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି.
सर नरेश एंड आई आगे नरेश को प्ले कराला तापर आई को प्ले कराला सर से सीक्वेंस टा रिजल्ट आउट
Sequence. Okay. The third person, second person, third person, tapore second person, and first person. Third, second, first. एमती रहिबो. Naresh, you and I.
sir second
Naresh, you
sir
and
second
I are participating in this match. Okay.
no sir you Naresh and I आगे sir second रहिबो
You, Naresh, second person टा आगे रन को कहूछ.
आगे sir
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2, 3, 1.
2, 3 नहीं एटा मु देखि कि कंफर्म करबी.
आगे sir 2
I
3
can't say that confidently. मु देखि कंफर्म करबी. Okay.
ओके सर
हाँ. Right. Any other question like that?